Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to dental cement, zinc oxide eugenol cement. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now today our topic is zinc oxide eugenol cement. First we start from presentation form. In which form zinc oxide eugenol cement are present? In which form zinc oxide eugenol cement are available? Now zinc oxide eugenol cement are available into two forms. First is powder liquid and second is two-phase system. In powder liquid, in one bottle there will be powder and second bottle there will be liquid. Now composition of powder. Powder consists of zinc oxide, magnesium oxide and zinc acetate. Now zinc acetate acts as an accelerator to fast the setting reaction. Now composition of liquid. In liquid there will be eugenol, olive oils and acetic acid. Now the acetic acid here work as an accelerator in liquid to increase the reaction. Now this is the powder liquid form. Second is two-paste system. Now the composition of two-paste system is one paste is base and other paste is catalyst. And it will be present like toothpaste, and in one paste there will be base and other paste will be consist of catalyst. This is the presentation form. Now come to the mixing. How we mix the zinc oxide eugenol cement? Either we mix on paper pad or glass slab. When we mix the powder liquid, there will be at high powder liquid ratio 4:1, mean 4:1 ratio. 4 parts will be of powder and 1 part will be of liquid. If we mix the powder liquid form, if we mix the two-paste system, then we take equal length of both paste, base and catalyst on paper pad or glass slab. Then we mix these two paste with each other. Now this is the mixing. Now in mixing, if we use zinc oxide eugenol for temporary cementation, like cementing up crown or prepared tooth, cementing up bridge and prepared tooth, then we make a thin mix. If we use zinc oxide eugenol as a temporary filling material, then we thick mix. Now thin mix zinc oxide eugenol used for temporary cementation and thick mix for temporary filling material. After mixing, now come to the setting reaction. Now how zinc oxide eugenol cement becomes set? Now the setting reaction of zinc oxide eugenol by acid base reaction, also known as chelation reaction. Now setting reaction consists of two steps. In first step, zinc oxide powder react with water to form zinc hydroxide. This is the first step of setting reaction. In second step, this zinc hydroxide which formed in first step react with eugenol to form zinc eugenolate. Now the zinc eugenolate is the final set product. Now when we check the final set cement, it will be consist of zinc eugenolate plus unreacted zinc oxide powder. This is the setting reaction. Now come to the controlling the speed of reaction. Which factor control the speed of reaction? There are three factors. Number one, powder particle size. If powder particle size is small, mean it will react very easily with each other. It react very fastly with water. The reaction will be fast. Second, temperature. If temperature is high, again reaction will be fast. Why? Because increased temperature increase the vibration of powder particle. Due to this vibration, they react very rapidly with each other. In the result, the reaction will be fast. Now, if we do clinical work on patient in cold condition, in cold weather, then the reaction speed of zinc oxide eugenol will be low. The reaction speed will be low. But if we work in warm condition on patient, then the setting up zinc oxide eugenol will be fast due to high temperature. The third factor is accelerator. If there will be accelerator in this in the composition of zinc oxide eugenol, when the concentration of accelerator increase, again setting reaction will be fast. The speed of reaction will be fast. Like here we use accelerator in both liquid and powder. This is the controlling the speed of reaction factor on which speed of reaction depend. Now further we will study the material characteristics and uses. Now material characteristics. In material characteristics mean zinc oxide eugenol having which type of characteristics, mean have which type of properties. Now in material characteristics there are 5 types of characteristics. Number 1, biological characteristics. Number 2, mechanical characteristics. Interfacial characteristics. Aesthetic characteristics. Chemical characteristics. Mean in material characteristics we study 5 types of characteristics. First, biological characteristics are biological properties of zinc oxide eugenol cement. In biological characteristics, first, zinc oxide eugenol cement is bacteriostatic, mean it stops the growth of bacteria where in tooth cavities in cases of caries. Number 2, zinc oxide eugenol have low thermal diffusibility, mean it diffuse low heat, mean it prevent the pulp from thermal stimuli. Third is obtundant effect. Obtundant effect mean it reduce the pulpal pain, means zinc oxide eugenol reduce the pulpal pain. Fourth is high sealing ability. Zinc oxide eugenol have high sealing ability, therefore there will be minimized leakage on zinc oxide eugenol filling. Now after biological characteristics, second is mechanical characteristics. Mechanical characteristics mean when force is applied. Now mechanically zinc oxide eugenol cement is weak cement, could not withstand masticatory forces. This is mechanical characteristics. Third is interfacial characteristics. Interfacial characteristics mean when we fill the zinc oxide eugenol in cavity, now by which type of bond zinc oxide eugenol bonded with tooth, mean interfacial between two paste. One is tooth wall, other paste is the material, mean interfacial characteristics. It is mechanically retained, like GIC is chemically retained, but zinc oxide eugenol is mechanically retained. The fourth characteristics is aesthetic characteristics. Now aesthetically zinc oxide eugenol is opaque cement. Do not use zinc oxide eugenol as a luting cement under translucent restoration, because in translucent restoration the opaqueness of zinc oxide eugenol will be seen from outer surface. Therefore, do not use zinc oxide eugenol for luting a translucent crown cementation. Fifth characteristic is chemical characteristics. In chemical characteristics, the zinc oxide eugenol are dissolved in oral saliva. Therefore, with the time, zinc oxide are dissolved in oral saliva. This is the material characteristics. Now come to the last application or uses of zinc oxide eugenol cement. There are 5 uses of zinc oxide eugenol cement. Number 1, temporary cementation, like cementation or luting up crown or bridge. Number 2 is a cavity liner to prevent the leaching of filling material toward pulp. Number 3 is an endodontic sealer, mean between root canal filling material and root wall there will be zinc oxide eugenol act as a sealer. Fourth is as a temporary filling. Fifth is an indirect pulp capping, like we all studied we already studied in uses of dental cement about direct pulp capping. Now here is indirect pulp capping. What is the difference between direct pulp capping and indirect pulp capping? When we prepare the tooth cavity, if we completely expose the pulp, then we place calcium hydroxide directly above the pulp. It is known as direct pulp capping. But what is indirect pulp capping? When pulp is not completely exposed, above the pulp there is a small amount of dentil present. Then when we use material as a capping, then this material is known as indirect pulp capping, because between material and pulp there will be small amount of dentin. As an indirect pulp capping we use zinc oxide eugenol, but as a direct pulp capping we use calcium hydroxide to form reparative or tertiary dentin. Why we not use zinc oxide eugenol as a direct pulp capping? Because it is a tissue irritant. Now today our application or uses are also complete. Now today our topic about zinc oxide eugenol is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open all notifications in order to receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.